Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Red Star. I hope everybody is doing well. Today we are doing a summer inspired makeup look. I added pops of colors to my eyes to make it bright and more fun. If you want to know how to create this look, then please keep watching the video. Also, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. As usual, I'm starting my makeup with my handy dandy sugar eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade Taupe Tom and I really love this pencil, as you guys know, and I'm just lining my eyebrows and filling them in. And it also has a spoolie on the other side which comes in very handy while you're doing your brows. I'm just lining my eyebrows with the concealer and then dabbing it on my eyelids as well to make it smooth and clean as a base for the eyeshadow. To set the concealer in place, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder and I'm just dabbing it on with my concealer brush. For eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette has some beautiful shades in it. It has neutrals and blues and greens and everything that you can think of. And I think it's a very versatile palette to own. So I'm starting off with this brown shade. It's a matte brown shade and I'm using it to put it on the crease. And next I'm going to go in with this yellow eyeshadow. It's actually not yellow, it's more of a mustard color, but I really liked how it looked on my eyes. And I'm just dabbing it on with my fingers for the maximum pigmentation. And now again with the brown eyeshadow, I'm just using the brush on my crease to blend everything out. Next, I'm going to be using this champagne shimmery shade on my brow bone, and I'm also going to use this in my inner corners. Next, I'm using the Sugar Double Matte eyeliner to line my eyes, and I'm just lining it very close to my lash line and then just flicking it out in the end to create that small narrow wing. And I'm not making this line very thick. I want it to be narrow or thin so that the color pops out and doesn't get overpowered by the eyeliner. Before going in with the falsies, I am adding mascara to give volume to my lashes. And next I'm going to go in with the Ardell Wispies, which looks stunning but also very natural on the eyes. Instead of a moisturizer today, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Potion Oil, and I really like how it looks beneath my foundation. I think it makes my base look more smooth and flawless. I'm trying not to use a lot of foundation here. I'm trying to create a very thin layer of it just to have a very smooth base. My active spots are still visible, so I'm going back in with a Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just dabbing the product on and using my fingers to blend it in. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight my face, and I'm using it in the usual places like under my eyes, on the nose, on the forehead and also on the chin.
The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold.
And to set everything in place, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder and I'm just dabbing it under my eyes and around my mouth with a brush. Coming back to the eyes, I thought I would use a different contrasting color under my eyes. So I went for this beautiful teal color, and I'm just using a smudger brush to smudge this color just below my lower lash line. Next, I'm going back in with the same shade I used on my crease, and I'm just using it to blend out the lower edge of my blue eyeshadow. The last step for the eyes is to put mascara on the lower lash line, and next we're going to move on to contouring. I'm going in with my sugar contouring powder. This is in the shade Taupe Topper, and I'm contouring the usual places of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, and also under my jawline.
As we wait for the smoke to clear.
For blush today, I'm using the MAC Extra Dimension blush. This is in the shade Fairly Precious. This is a beautiful peachy shade and it has a sheen to it, as you can see.
Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see.
Next, I'm going in with the Balm highlighter. This is the Mary Luminizer, and just look at that glow.
That you give. We'll be there to guide you in every way.
I'm using this to highlight the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and also my chin.
The summer's calling.
To set my face, I'm using the NYX setting spray, and for lipstick, I'm using this shade from Maybelline called Best Babe. And that's it, guys. This is how the look turned out.
Summer's calling.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.